this site is our treed site. Can we grow anything under trees? It's already been mulched, newspaper underneath, minimum of 6 sheets, plenty of rain, and now we're up to planting. We've got our newspaper down here. Do you want to come in closer? We're going to cut this a little bit and tear it back to make our hole. This is just pilot. We're just testing things. Then we've got our wonderful potty put kit. We put in there, open up the jaws, way, give it a bit of a wriggle so it comes out easy. And because these are a ground cover, they have lots of roots near the surface, so we want to pull any dirt or vegetation in close to it to protect it. Then, because we don't want the light to be reaching the plant, we don't want the light reaching the soil because we don't want to have to weed, put the newspaper back and we put plenty of shredded paper around it so the light doesn't reach the soil. And then in our last step, 2 steps, we put a pot on top so we know where it is, and we get some mulch from the next hole that we want to make. And we're hoping, because we reckon 90% of the weeds are in the soil, we won't have to weed them.
Don't let any light near the plant.
Soil.
And
we give these a little shake so that the plant is exposed and it's got its mulch around it, and there's no light reaching the soil so we don't have to weed. Thank you.